Hello and welcome to this video. This video will show you how to limit the number of discount emails sent by the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Pro plugin. To do so, navigate to the WCMND plugin settings page and check that it is already configured. Ascertain that you have already configured the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Pro plugin's MailChimp configuration settings. Then, on the coupon settings page, check the Enable to Use Coupon Limit for First Limited Subscribers box to allow the plugin to send coupon codes to a limited number of subscribers. Following that, enter the number of subscribers who will receive the discount code. Then, enter the message text that will appear once the subscriber limit has been reached. After that, save changes. Now we will test the discount emails, which will be sent to 5 different email addresses. After 5 subscribers, other subscribers will not receive any discount emails. This is the 6th email in a row, and you'll notice that the discount email limit has been reached. As a result, the 6th subscriber will not receive any discount emails. So that's it. In the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Pro plugin, you can now limit the number of discount emails sent to subscribers. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Zetomatic channel.